Hey everybody, this is Wind.Road.Therapy. We are in Marathon in the Florida Keys. This is Curry Hammock State Park, and my goal today is to ride to the top of the Keys, to the bottom of the Keys. We're going to record it on Relive. Curry Hammock State Park. So let's see what we can get into. This is the Florida Keys. How about that? You can pull off, park over there, go fishing, probably launch a kayak, paddleboard, right? Oh, look, that's the bike route. Very nice. Look at that little island right there. That's not a bad way to live, is it? How about them colors there, huh? Not bad. Look at the size of that guy. He's a monster. That was a big iguana. And that is rain. Oh, yay! Almirada. Village of Islands. Yes! Oh boy. There we go. A lot of people out there enjoying the water. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kayakers, a jet ski. There's a kayaker over there. Boater. Just passed some bicyclists. Oh, there we go. There's a nice boat. Village of Islands. That is true. Oh, look at that island. Huh. Wow. Sandbar party. Yes. Who doesn't want a picture with the big conch shell, right? And there's the big conch shell. There we go. Roadside attraction. Theater of the Sea. See the big conch shell? That's awesome. Let's just take a picture. Take a selfie this way. Theater of the Sea. Can we see it? Yep, there we go. Continue on our way. Giant conch shell. Check. Ooh. That's funny. Oh, we're gonna go back because it's starting to rain over here. Didn't know about this. It's a Botanical Park, huh? Sorry, my guy. Sorry. here we are. I first saw this in 1994. That is the African Queen. Oh, the movie was Key Largo. That's the name of the movie. Key Largo. My dude is in the boat. Very cool. Humphrey Bogart and Katharine Hepburn's original movie boat, African Queen. Star of the movie named for her. Oh, the movie was named after her. The adventurous Queen has been around the world twice. You can look her over for a unique, nostalgic experience. You can take a cruise. Oh, look at that. That's pretty cool. Oh, and there it is. Nothing like getting caught in the rain. See? Look at that. We got drizzles. We got drizzles. We got drizzles. Holy moly, look at that cloud. Do you see that? That cloud? Yikes. Rain? No rain. Rain? No rain. Oh, goodness. Good time. Just me with a giant lobster. There's all three of us. Oh, turn it around. Turn it around. Alright, it's starting to rain. Let's go. Gimpy Gulch. This is the Rain Barrel Art and Shops. How's that for a cloud? Mm-hmm. $77 miles, Key West. All right. Look at that cloud, huh? It's like a cloud under a cloud. Rain? No rain. One more time. Rain? No rain. How about this? Look at this. Sea level. Atlantic Ocean. Oh, rainbow. Look at the rainbow. Well, how beautiful is this? That's something. What do we got? Dolphin? Tarpon? We got something jumping out of the water right there. Seven-mile bridge. Much better. Now how's that for a view? Instead of the back end of a 20-foot truck. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 7-mile bridge, and that right there is what's left of Henry Flagler's bridge. That's what his railroad went over, and there's certain parts of it going forward that have become fishing piers. They're fixing this one right now, so it's closed. I think it's pretty cool. Look how beautiful. Oh, Mustang after Mustang after Mustang. Woo! How about that, huh? It's a nice little island. Oh, that's Pigeon Key. Got it. Yep, we'll have to go back. We'll be back. Today is a good day. Look at that. Beautiful.
Mi salsa ahora, mi salsa para bailar, este ritmo tan sabroso, el ritmo para guarachar. Yo te canto con sentimiento, mi manana te lo voy a dar. Muévese con sabrosura,
Deep water.
abre la ventana para respirar.
Oh, waist deep.
Se están arrollando, la banda está en candela ya, todo el mundo está bailando, ven, ven, mi gente, vamos a gozar, muévense con mi ritmo, un paso para adelante y un paso para atrás, muévense con sabrosura, abre la ventana para respirar, sigue escuchando la salsa que te traigo ahora.
Hope you guys can see that. Welcome to Key West, Paradise, USA. There we go. So anyway, thank you for watching. Be well. Please like, subscribe, comment, and hit that little bell notification so you know when I post a new video. All right. You'll be well. Peace.